Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a topic from your home timeline on Twitter using your PC. Let's get started. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and access your home timeline. Look for a tweet related to a topic that you are currently following. Once you've identified the tweet, navigate to the top of the tweet and locate the V icon. Click or tap on the V icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select Unfollow. By selecting this option, you will successfully unfollow the topic associated with that specific tweet. Unfollowing a topic from your home timeline on Twitter is a great way to customize your feed and focus on the content that interests you most. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage the topics you follow on Twitter. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.